You know what? All day long, my son has been home, and I've been writing and not writing, and there's just so many things. And one of the things I was working on was something pretty simple. Instead of saying minus, because minus and multiply have the same letters, right? They're both 13. So if I want to go M, I could use M and M. Multiplication or times, M and P, M and T. You could be using it for times, as in day. Anyway, subtract this S, multiply A and D, mad. Okay? S-M-A-D if you want. Minus, plus, divide. Everything you do with 1 with 5, right, will come out to 4, 5, and 6, right over here. This will create your star system. Minus will show you on one side where it's at. The plus will show you another place you're at. The divided will show you sides you're on, right? 5 divided by 1 will show you side you're on, okay? So that's this area. Now, if you want to go 5-1-2 memory, because 5-1 is Mars and 5-2 is Earth, right? 5-1 is inside of 5-2, okay? I'm not going to explain where the number positions are, because the corners, you have to bring 4 things together. There's not one, there's 4. There's 1 square in the center here and everything around. Area 1 circle, area 2 circles. They say 00, we'll play the 00. You want to understand one of the things about 00? Is everything seems to be measured this way. Okay, this way or the other way. When we do it that way, the actual number is 156, 5, 6, and 6. Okay, when you bring this down, it becomes 18, 9. It becomes 1, 9, 1, 1. This will become 7. There's a 0. 10 becomes 7. But when you go over on this angle, I'm missing areas. Blank, 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 blank. 56, 560, 6500, 500, 100. Creates 1522300 or 1522399. Mars and Earth, life, okay, creation, okay, inside Jupiter. Mars, Earth, 1 and 2 inside 1 inside creation. 2, 4, 6, 1, 3, 5, 1 and 6, 2 and 5, 3 and 4, all 7s. The distance, the distance, the distance. The distance of 1 and 6 is Earth. The distance of 5 and 2 is Mars. The distance between 3 and 4 is a half, is the E world, the electronic world. I touch you, I touch these 2 sides of my face, and whatever this body is made to do, the energy will go in, that vibration. If we distort this energy ever so slightly, different things will come to thought. The moon, the planet, the salt, everything that goes in. So everything that was created is AM. AM happens, Mario, R10. R2D2. R2D2. DEJANEIRO. January, air, Nero. Neo, Enzo. 2 young ones. DENERO, money, meaning the S and 1 and 1. 1 and 1 equaling to 4, 5, and 6, where the 1 and 1 come in the dollar sign. Break fast. Rock fast. Asterisk, okay, is the star system. Angel, DEJANEIRO, de roi. This backwards says roi, which is king. There are 2 kings. Phobius, fire. ENR, electronic world. IF, birth, 96 rotation. Fire, cold. Man, Deimos, cube, man 6. 0, 0, 0 equals to 180 plus 9. Check this out in Fibonacci. Man 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 2, and 2. 12 and 15, 12, 15, 3. Creation. 192, 195, this one will be 3. Okay, we'll bring it over here. 183. 60 and 60. Okay, 6 and 60. 66 and 61 and 62. 60, 60, 60, 180. 183 and 6, 189. 189, 189, 195. 18. 18 is 99, 63. The 6-3 moons on Jupiter that run this whole thing. It is the NERO, electronic. It is the gold, the pliable gold. Okay, Ne is the birth. Dimanche. It is the arm of, one of the arms. Right? So this is the way to create this. So this is what we have on Rio de Janeiro. Rio de Janeiro, the 10 star. Something that goes through it. The final fire that they brought into the Olympics. Subtraction, 23. Pythagorean count, creation. Multiplication, 38, inside the church. 5 and 2, multiplication and subtraction, create Earth. Addition and subtraction, create the sun. Multiplication and addition, create the 9 lives of the cat inside the star. 40 and 38, 78, the split of the doorway. Divide. Okay, remember, 4, 1, 4. 4, 1, 4, the IT system in the sun. Subtraction will create 7. 8, the divided highways, the 2 sides. 8, 4, and 4. Remember how it works. If you have 1 in a number, 2 in a number, 2 in a number says on each side of 1. 3 in a number says the second circle. Okay? There's a circle around 1. 1 is the center. Then the circle around it, and the circle around it. Every circle is connecting two areas. This area built an area here, this area built an area here, this area built an area here, and built an area here. We have 4 areas. 1, 1, 1, and 1. All 4. If I put all 4 pages together, right, everything comes out. Let me try and do this right. Right? We can have the fan of the area. Pretty simple. We're building, putting things together. Rio de Janeiro King. Something to do with the king, Rio de Janeiro. 10 King. Raphael 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus. But it's the 4th star, right? And then you also have to have the in-between star. The second circle, okay, that goes around the star, also has divisions in it. That might be splitting the leaf. You know, the fine feeding on 2 sides. You put the leaf and you split on 2 sides. That leaf will take up the in-between space. So you have the 2 spaces, 2 leaves over here taking up the in-between space. One side of leaf taken from one side. Anyways, thank you for watching.